How's it going, students? In this video, I wanted to show you how to identify the elements based on their Lewis dot structure. So remember that the dots actually represent the valence electrons. So when you're looking at a diagram, you have to simply count the number of dots, which represents the valence electrons. So what element could this be? This element has 2 valence electrons. So think about what elements on the periodic table have 2 valence electrons. In order for us to do that, we need a copy of the periodic table. And we take a look here, and we need to remember that the valence electrons are located by the groups. So we look at group 2, and any of these elements, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, can be the element that is represented by that Lewis dot structure. Let's try another example. What element could this be? We first identify the number of valence electrons. We see that it is 1. And we go back to the periodic table. Which elements on the periodic table have 1 valence electron? It is going to be the elements in group 1. So we see here that hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, these all could have the potential Lewis dot structure that we just saw. What about this example? What element could this be? Go ahead and count the number of valence electrons. We see that it is 5. We go back to the periodic table. Remember that groups 1 and 2 have 1 valence electron and 2 valence electrons respectively. Then we skip groups 3 to 12 because they have varying valence electrons. So group 13, they have 3 valence electrons. Group 14 has 4. Group 15, 5, so on and so forth. So the elements that could represent the Lewis dot structure that we just saw would be the elements in group 15. So nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony. These all could potentially be the element that is represented by the Lewis dot structure.